There are many shortcuts in KCDW, and what I'm going to do is just show you a few of them right now. Maybe when you're putting a design up, you might want to take the doors off the cabinets to see what's going on behind them. The shortcut you could use is S and D for show doors. So all you need to do is hit S and D on your keyboard, and it takes the doors off. S and D puts them back on. SD, take them off. I can see how many shelves are in the opening. I could go up to dimension level here, maybe go to dimension level 3, and see what my openings are. Now, just as there's a shortcut to taking the doors on and off, there's also a shortcut for dimension levels. And if I were to hit D and 3, that would also give me dimension level 3. Or D2 back to dimension level 2, D1 for dimension level 1, or D4, which gives me more details, which is my stiles, rails, openings, and overall width. We'll put it back to D2. Let's hit SD for show doors. Maybe we want to change from one elevation to another. Notice we're on wall number 1 here. Well, if I just hit 2 on my keyboard, I go to wall 2 here. If I hit 1, I go to wall 1. Now, I could have just gone over here and clicked, does the same thing. But once again, there's a lot of shortcuts. Now, I could double click below my cabinets or in the open space anywhere, and I'll change my view. I could hit my space bar twice. It does the same thing. Space bar twice, another good shortcut, just in some cases. Now, if I wanted to go to an island wall, I just single click on it, or click on any of these units, and I can change my view, and I'm looking straight at that island wall. Another good shortcut is just to go to the above the countertop here and right mouse click above that to go to the back of the wall. Now, anything I do right now is on the back. If I left click, I come to the front. Right, go to the back, left, go to the front. Now, if we want to go back to wall 1, we just hit 1 on our keyboard. Maybe we want to click over on this wall to go over to this wall. And maybe we want to change that door right here. I could hold my control key down. This is another shortcut, Ctrl key on your keyboard. And a little door pops up on my mouse. If I click on that door, it starts going through 9 choices. Now, these 9 choices, you can pre-select and change all doors. And you want to make sure that you put the doors you want in there. Now, once again, if you have any questions on doors, you go to doors. It will tell you how to do it all up here. Maybe we want to change one handle. Well, if I click on that, it tells me what to do. Hold down on the Shift key on the keyboard, left click on mouse on door to change handle placement. So let's do that. Let's click OK. Hold the Shift key down on our keyboard. Bring my mouse over here, and I could click right here, and it moves the handle here. Or up here, or here. There's 9 locations that you could put the handle, and it just moves it around. Now, there's many other shortcuts, but right now, that's where I'm going to stop.